So as we can see, Luceco make a wide range of sight lights, and today we're going to be looking at this one, the open area sight light. So let's explore some of the features of this fitting. We know how incredibly popular battery source lighting is on construction sites. However, when you're on construction sites for long periods of time, days, weeks or even months, it's better to plug your lighting source in. This light fitting here can be plugged into 110 volts and also comes in a 230 volt version as well. We can turn it off here, and we can next look at this, the light beam. So this is one of the features that I really like about this. At the moment, the LEDs are set for a 360 light beam, but if I move these forward, we get an angle now of 180 degrees, so we get a front facing light. This is a 40 watt light fitting and it's 3,600 lumens. Let's have a look at some of the mounting options. It comes on this foldable tripod, so if I pull this leg down, like so, you can actually therefore change obviously the angle of which you've got that light. These also fold up, so fold all three of these up, like so. And along with the handy carrying strap here, obviously I'd have to unplug it first, it's easily portable around a building site. So you can wind the lead up around these spikes here in order to make it easier for you when you're transporting it. But we're going to take off now and show you how to disconnect the tripod, and therefore then you can hang it up. So undo this bolt here, and that will separate the tripod away from the light fitting, like so. And now we can use the handy hook on the top and actually hang that light fitting from the structure of the building. So this open area work light, the body has an impact resistance of IK08 and an IP rating of IP65, which means it's ideal for cleaning down after those pesky plasterers. Okay, so let's hang it up. Handy hook on like so, and we've now got it so our light pattern is forward facing, so we've got the 180 degrees at the front. We can remove these straps if they're in the way. And I could also set it to the 361, so if I wanted the light pattern all the way round. Also I've got the ability to hang it, take it down, and I can hang it from the same straps once more. So one in there and one here. What's good about this is it will give you the light directly above your workstation like so. I've also set this up on the tripod in this very workshop, and I've directed the camera away from the light source, and it's phenomenal the amount of light that is generated by this one light fitting. So I've got it set up at the moment with the 180 degrees. So in other words, I'm trying to force my light forward. However, if I wanted to create it in the whole of the room, again, it's just that simple moving of the actual two LEDs there in order that we get the 360 degree beam now. This open area work light comes with a 3 meter rubberized flex and only weighs 3.3 kilograms. The LED light source is for 30,000 hours, which is 3.5 years on site of non-stop use. That's one busy time that you're going to have in the workplace. If you use any Luceco products in your working life and you want to send us some photographs, the link will be in the description. Send them over to our eFIXX Instagram account and we'd love to share them. If you've got any comments about these products, please leave them below.